Submitted regarding piece rate pay and why you'd want to institute that in your business. Well, I'm going to go over the three main factors that I feel that piece rate pay is a benefit over a normal pay system. The first is production. When the guys and girls on the team are getting rewarded to have a pulse to get to 40 hours and above, there's no real incentive or alignment. Basically, the whole goal of piece rate pay is to pay the employees more and reward them for working harder and smarter. If your intentions of getting the piece rate is to avoid overtime, that's completely not the right reason. Legally, you need to be paying that overtime, and you should be paying that overtime. And definitely check with your state laws. But as far as production, when we instituted that in our company the first year, we saw basically a 30% increase of production, which equated to basically an extra $600 to $800 a week of extra sales produced by the crew without changing a person or piece of equipment. So that production rate's going to go up huge. We find that they start making smart decisions. So they're not stopping at McDonald's or fast food joints, driving halfway across town for their lunch. Obviously, we're paying for the lunch time, but they're making smart decisions when they're on the clock driving to or from those areas. Next thing is a team versus individual mindset. Now we're a team. Management and the employees are not at odds. We're not pounding back and forth. We're in alignment. We're working together to be the most efficient and most positive team together to put more money in the employees' pockets as well as the company. So now that we're aligned, we are going to have a joint goal of productivity with quality for everyone to make the most amount of money. And the next thing is ownership or a culture of ownership. The way we frame piecework in our business is it is basically their own little business within theirs because they're starting to make their own decisions, and their decisions, whether they're positive or negative, are going to have a direct effect on their net pay for the week. So we're going to reward them to take ownership, make the right decisions, and hopefully by having them own basically their own little company within ours, that ownership is going to create a culture of productivity, quality work, and ownership in what they're doing to be proactive to create a better customer experience for the external customers as well as some of the internal customers that the other employees may be working with. So if you need comments or questions, drop them below or click the link below, and I've got a link to our 3-part video series, How to Implement Piece Rate Pay in Your Business, with an added bonus video of how to implement that in Service Autopilot if you're using it. So click the link below, and we'll send that to you in Facebook Messenger right now.